Just a couple. We'll do the first one together. I'll give you a couple minutes to try the second one on your own. Log base 3 of 10x plus 5 minus log base 3 of x plus 7 equals 2. For this statement to work, you must have one log on one side and a number on the other. So how do we get the left-hand side as one log? Quotient rule. Okay. Now, students do just fine with that step. It's the next step that they don't use correctly. That log base 3 does not just magically disappear. You have to use it. You do not have log equals log, so because of that, you have to rewrite it as an exponent. So this is just like the beginning ones from 2 sections ago. What's the base of the log? So what's the base of the exponent going to be? Don't change the answer. 3. That's okay. So 3 to the 2 is the argument. What is 3 to the 2? 9. So go from here. What are you going to do to both sides of this equation? Which is x plus 7. Very good. So on the right, the x plus 7s would cancel. On the left, the 9 distributes through, so you have 9x plus 63 equals 10x plus 5. Solving for x by subtracting the 5 and the 9x, what do you get for x? 58. Does 58 make either argument 0 or negative? Nope. So is it okay? Yep. Fancy box. All right. So for the last one here, you're adding two logs. So what are you going to do to their arguments? Multiply them using your product rule. If you would, go to town. All right, so we're going to multiply the arguments. Since we have a binomial times a binomial, what are we going to do with these arguments specifically? Rhymes with moil them, foil them. If you foil them, what is your new argument? 2x squared. Yep. Plus 2. Log base 9 of 2x squared plus 5x plus 2, all equals 1. We do not have log equals log. We have log equals number. So because of this, we need to rewrite it as an exponent. What will that exponent look like? Very good. 9 to the first equals that quadratic. Speaking of quadratics, this is a quadratic equation. It will factor. What is 9 to the first? So if I subtract 9 from both sides, I get 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. Is that okay? How does 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 factor? Solve for x. What do you get? Negative 7 halves and 1. But not because it's negative. It makes the arguments negative. Right. It makes the first one negative. The second one would be okay. No, wait, I'm not looking at the right one. Yeah, it makes them both negative. Bad. How about 1? 1's good.